Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with today's morning show. Alright, so Football London, when they ask a very important question will resonate with me. So the one they ask whether make Bukayo Saka play against Everton, or if you like, whether make him even start against Everton, because the way they look at, even if Arsenal no start Saka, according to them, they ask, is Saka playing going to be beneficial to Arsenal for this game? Because you need to look ahead. The Real Madrid match waiting for front how many days later, you get, and when you look at the pedigree of this particular Everton side, they are a very, very physical side, and then they very, very rough. So the question we they ask today, she make Bukayo Saka start against Everton? Because they ask, because then they ask whether make him start, say whether make him even play. Because in fact, Football London don't conclude say why Bukayo Saka must not start against Everton as Mikel Arteta faces Arsenal versus Real Madrid decision. Now, when you read the entirety of the report, they talk say for the Fulham game, Saka played for about half an hour on Tuesday night. That's more than I thought he would get in his first game back, but perhaps he's a lot fitter than many think. With that said, Saka should play no more than 35 minutes when Arsenal play Everton on Saturday afternoon. There is no benefit to starting him at Goodison Park. Yes, the Gunners might have a title race. Which title race in their hands? If they can beat the Toffees without him, then they don't deserve to be Premier League. Like, see, if Arsenal will beat Everton without Bukayo Saka, then they don't deserve to be Premier League title contenders. Look at it this way. Me personally, I feel Arteta should just rest players against Everton. Baba, all of us know say we know they pursue league again. Liverpool like this, and they should be like maybe 12 points ahead of us. We know they pursue league because game regardless now, we never really know what they sup with that one. Ben White, we never really know what they sup. Simba, we never know what they sup. Calafield, we never know what they sup, which means there's a possibility to say these 4 people were they missing for this Everton game. Now, putting Bukayo Saka, what if nobody knows what will happen? No, but what if you put Saka there, Tarkowski, Congo Marshall, like what you do, Alexis McAllister, we still they come for that side. What if they come get one kind of sliding tackle? On match they say you no get any merits. Forget say yes, we dey for top 4 race, we dey gap Man City like maybe 10 points. People dey behind us, we still dey gap them with a decent points. So now only maybe not time for us to gap them maybe like 4 points or thereabouts. So for me, I feel we should sacrifice this game because our biggest match of this season is Real Madrid, not Everton. So now my own submission with that. So I don't know what you think. Do you feel we should start Saka here? Football London say no start am, but at least give him 35 minutes. Me, I didn't say no give him anything at all. Even if you won't give him, say maybe 10 minutes. I don't know what you think on this particular issue. Now, today is the birthday of Gabriel Jesus. So he's an Arsenal forward. He turns 28 years old, even though he's still there for the treatment table. Wish him all the best things life offers. So that's what we do. Now, Gabriel Magalhaes' wife, Figueiredo, when they open up on in husband hamstring, though I watched the video, forget all this exclusive in the Daily Mail, but I watched the video. She didn't really say much. The only thing she said is the husband is injured, she's going to be there to like take care of him. He gets say now the husband don't go meet doctors where they do scan. That's the only thing she said. So you know, like say she tell us say na grade 1 hamstring go, or maybe na grade 2 hamstring go. At least I follow watch the video when she talk. So she never really tell us anything where we don't know. You get. So there is no scoop here. So more just the wait until the scan results come aside. All of us know say yes, the guy injured is confirmed. But what is the severity? How big is the injury? Now, one thing we never really know. Where everybody they wait to find out. So let's see today, tomorrow. We'll see how everything will unfold. Now, away from that, TNT Sports when they put out this statistics, man, this is a scary statistics. Virgil van Dijk has played 117 Premier League games at Anfield since when he joined Liverpool. Now only 3 times he don't experience loss. Baba, That is a remarkable achievement. It is not easy for you to know how good a defender he is. When I saw these statistics, I was like, wow, 100. Van Dijk good, Van Dijk good. Apart of the thing, imagine this kind of person that can't get injury for Liverpool, lengthy injury. They go suffer now. So now part of the good luck with Liverpool, they right. Now, talking about the match when Liverpool play against Everton yesterday, because they go to see the Merseyside derby. We don't play. Look at the type of tackle where James Tarkowski give Alexis McAllister. Look at the tackle. Look at it in close range. Leg wrenching, leg breaking tackle. You no go believe say this particular tackle wey you dey see like this, VAR they no talk anything. Now only yellow card, because even Chris Whitley, Fabrizio Romano, Sky Sports, Talk Sport, BBC Sport, everybody's angry. Say why the VAR go let this thing go unchallenged? James Tarkowski only received a yellow card for this challenge on Alexis McAllister. Me I call it talk say if to say this thing na an Arsenal player, maybe na Declan Rice or Thomas Partey, Baba, the rate of speed of light wey the referee go take put am for him back pocket, bring a red card, this we no go believe. But look at that's why people are saying what is good for the goose should always be good for the gander. You know, they balanced. I don't know why they not give the guy a red card, because till today they see the debate and look at this is a leg breaking tackle, like with venom, with purpose. This is no balance, but it is what it is. Now, TNT Sports currently put another statistics out there of Alexander Isak. They say Isak is now the first player in Newcastle history to score 20 plus goals in back-to-back Premier League seasons. Last season, he scored 21 goals. This season, he scored 20 goals. Playing for a club like Newcastle, where we say they know they create chances like Arsenal. Yeah, they are scoring this month. That's why people they talk say there is no way where Isak will join Arsenal when they score up to 20 goals. Yeah, so that's just part of it. Although if you join Arsenal, the way they go they mark him for games, it will be different from the way they mark him against Newcastle, because Newcastle, as a day like this now, I don't think there's anybody that plays 10 men behind the ball against Newcastle. Anybody when Newcastle they meet, now free flowing football. But once you move ship, come on for that Newcastle now come Arsenal. Our bag will face 10 men behind the ball. You will face low block. You get based on who we be. You get. But as a clinical player, as a prolific striker, you will still get your chances, because Arsenal are renowned for their chance creation prowess. So I want to really say everybody knows for. So that one said day. Now away from that, so TNT Sports going to talk say for Europe, Isak and Nwaneri is the second youngest player across Europe's top 5 leagues to reach 10 goal involvements in all competitions this season. Isak and Nwaneri is only behind Lamine Yamal. And me personally, I know this surprise because I know how good Isak and Nwaneri did. You get Lamine Yamal self in good in his own way. So I don't think I should be surprised, and I don't think you need to be surprised. Our boy and our star boy now, they do normal. So they represent very, very well. All right, let's bring the message from one of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co. Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80 6464 2234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, Paolo Di Canio, when he named one fantastic player for Arsenal, where we say, if to say in the movie manager now, I say be coach now, go spend on the last card to sign that player. Now, who is Paolo Di Canio talking about? Baba na Declan Rice. So he said Declan Rice will be in dream signing, because he gets huge respect for Declan Rice. So Baba can tell Football Italia, I say Declan Rice for me, every time is a poor leader. He's one of the best midfielders in the world, because he's not elegant like many others. He doesn't need to be captain to be a strong leader. The way he behaves is great. He's a great leader by example, whether that be in training or international teams. Nobody wants a bad story to come out, It can happen when they go out to parties or wherever. He appears different to other British players. You can see it clearly that he has got ambitions to become the best, like Lampard was for many years, and Bellingham now, who is a pure talent, obviously. But Rice in the middle, and the way child 187, good physical, a good physicality, very strong. It's so difficult for him to get injured. Exactly. Now, one good quality Rice gets a clean bill of health. You know, they get injury anyhow because he has got pure energy in his body. His muscles are perfect, and his elasticity is powerful. He's a fantastic footballer. I would pick him as a midfielder. Why do they shower Rice with so much encomium? They give him flowers, 100. That's why I would spend that much money to go and get him. And he's coming to the Arsenal and uplifted and upgraded our midfield. So we are very proud to have a player like Declan Rice in our ranks. So my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the day. Now, so will they ask questions? Say this match will play against Everton for the weekend. Should make Bukayo Saka start, or should make him even play at all? Because I believe say all our attention is supposed to be for Real Madrid. Make Everton no go give us injury. That be my own fear. If just say maybe now this Fulham now won't play now. Fulham don't be that kind of physical side. They play clean football. But Everton, Baba na Jagba, get crosser no that Beto. Say Beto they have muscle with Dijk yesterday. Those people they are too bullish. Imagine the battle between Beto and Jacob Kivior. You go mad gone. Get we Magalhaes no day. So we need to know how we go to rest players and sacrifice that Everton game because nobody will pursue title. Our top 4 race is a bit stable somehow. So let me know your thoughts for the comment section. So my dear Talabas, this is a fine place for us to call the show and end. So I come your way in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. That game out, alright guys. Bye bye.